Hi, good evening, guys. Today is January 9, and my friend and I decided to um, have a little adventure this week, or for 1 week. We decided that this week we will only eat kamote. So we're going to have a kamote challenge for 1 week. So we're going to see what will happen. So we're trying to lose some weight because I think for now I am 57. I think I am 57 kilogram, and my friend is something more also. So we're going to lose weight. So if you wanna know more and see what's the result of this challenge, keep on watching. Going to have the body weight.
59 โอเค
50 cow. that's 56. 56? Have 59. 50 cow?
59
59.
โอเคอยู่จ้ะ
Today is the first day of our challenge, which is a kamote challenge. I haven't recorded the breakfast today, but I ate only string beans and mushroom and kamote or sweet potato. That's all. And today I am here in the immigration to extend my visa here in Thailand. And finally I was able to get the 1-year extension visa. Praise the Lord. And now it is already past 11 and I'm still not hungry, which is good. Update of the first day. We are here at the hospital for our medical certificate. We're here for our blood extraction. Hi. Salika. Hi. Yeah. Punpun is eating, and I'm so hungry now because I ate only sweet potato. Hi guys, good evening. Tapos na po tayo sa day 1 at saka for dinner. Ito po yung kinakain natin sa dinner. Hindi na tayo kumain ng anything but only this one. This one is a watermelon, and there's one thing that I don't know the name of that, but that's it. At saka sumakit lang konti yung ulo ko kanina, pero nang uminom ko ng tubig nawala siya. At saka ngayon ito lang yung i-intake natin sa dinner. At saka para ready na tayo sa day 2. So far so good. Hindi naman ako ginutom. Kanina pala nung alas 4 ginutom ako, pero nang uminom ako ng water at saka nawala siya. So yun. Guys, I'm on my day 2 of kamote challenge, but this is happening right now. Everyone is getting ice cream! Getting ice cream, and this is the temptation, you know? Hi guys, what are you eating?
I eat ice cream
Good morning, guys. Today is the 7th day sa aming kamuti challenge. So, we're going to weigh in sa 7-Eleven. Maglakad lang kami pala. Kasi, tingnan natin kung may improvement ba yung weight loss challenge. Maglakad lang kami kasi yung motor namin nasa shop. So now, while walking to the shop, we're going to pass at 7-Eleven. Then, we're going to weigh kung meron ba nangyayari sa ating kamuti challenge for a week.
Ikaw lang naman.
Well, me only, when Jaja as well, but Jaja didn't weigh herself, so it's only me. Ganito yung mukha pag umaga. Walang makeup. Kakagising lang. Guys, nandito na tayo sa 7-Eleven malapit. Okay. Hala. Bago na naman shop to. Tutorial. Ano na ito mas may film? Tutorial may beer. Anahan ko pa. Teka lang.
Noon sana?
57.
Pila ka daan?
2 kilos.
Char.
2 kilos for 1 week, imagine. No.
Oh.
So guys, yun yung katapusan ng kamuti challenge namin.
Matry po ko ba para maus-us kong 2 kilos.
Okay.